Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the double exposure feature in Snapseed. So to begin, download Snapseed on your phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once the app is installed, open it and tap the Add Photo button. Then choose the picture that you want to edit from your gallery. After your photo opens in the editor, tap Tools at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the available options until you find double exposure. Then select it. Next, tap the image icon and choose the second photo that you want to combine with the first one. So for example, you can use the same image again so it's easier to see how the effect works. So once the second image appears, gently move it slightly to one side and you will notice that the two images begin to overlap, creating a soft blur or motion style effect. So this can be useful for making creative edits, such as giving an object a glowing or duplicated appearance. You can also tap the blending option to explore the available effects, including lighten, darken, add, subtract, and overlay. So each option changes how the two photos blend together. However, for this example, we will keep the default setting. And when you are happy with the result, tap the check mark at the bottom to apply the changes. After that, tap export and choose export again. So this will save a new copy of the photo with the changes permanently applied. Your double exposure photo is now saved and ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.